Hi, my name is Sonal Jagasia. I'm a psychiatrist and I've been a psychiatrist for over a decade. I've worked with cancer patients over the years and provided mental health care to them, and it's been extremely rewarding. I'm currently serving as the Chief Medical Officer at Mindful Care, an organization that works to provide urgent mental health care to the community. I'm excited to bring my years of experience to this forum where we'll get an opportunity to talk about how to empower women with cancer diagnoses through a mental health lens. What we know from research is women that do focus on their mental health priorities and make it a priority during their cancer treatment tend to have better health outcomes. And so it is a very important topic, and I'm really honored to share some insights with you all. I look forward to it. Thank you very much.